we have given a sphere of radius r and volume charge density rho is equal to a divided by r square e to the power minus 2r by a. So here we can see that volume charge density is variable, right, where capital A and small a are constant. If q is the total charge over the entire distribution, then what is the radius? So we need to find the radius of the sphere. Okay, what is the total charge of the sphere? Total charge of the sphere is integration of rho dv volume into dv volume charge density into dv. Okay, so now here we know the volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So let us find out dv. dv is equal to 4 by 3 pi. Now it is 3 r square. Okay, now here 3 will get cancelled. So 4 pi r square. Put the value over here. So total charge q is equal to integration of density is given a divided by r square e to the power minus 2r by a into dv is equal to 4 pi r square. R square cancel. So what is left? Integration of a 4 pi e to the power minus 2r by a. A is constant, 4 pi is constant. So 4 pi into a. Now integration over from 0 to radius r e to the power minus 2r by a. Let us do the integration. So it is 4 pi a. It is minus 2r by a divided by the constant term will be in the denominator minus 2 by a. Limit from 0 to r. 4 pi a. Let us put the limit. E is e to the power minus 2 capital R by a divided by minus 2 by a minus e to the power 0 divided by minus 2 by a. So here we are writing in this side. So minus 2 minus 2. So it is 2 minus is there. Okay, this term will become e to the power 0 will become 1. Okay, so 2 cancel. 2 2s are 4 and pi a. A will denominator to denominator, so it will go into numerator. Okay, what is left in the bracket? E to the power minus 2r by a minus 1. If we put minus side inside, then 2 pi a into a 1 minus e to the power minus 2r by a. Total charge. Okay, now we can write q divided by this term will 2 pi a into a is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus 2r by a. Now rearranging the equation, e to the power minus 2r by a is equal to 1 minus q divided by 2 pi a. Just rearranging. Okay, write the equation in the form of exponential. So e to the power minus 2r by a is equal to 1 minus this term. Okay, now here e to the power minus 2r by a. Okay, now if we remove this negative sign, so we can write 1 divided by e to the power 2r by a. Okay, so this term will go in the denominator. So I am directly writing e to the power 2r by a positive is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus q divided by 2 pi a into a. Okay, now by taking the log at both the side. Okay, so here log will cancel. So 2r divided by a is equal to log 1 divided by 1 minus q by 2 pi a into a. Okay, now we need to find out the r. So what is r over here? A will go on this side. So a by 2 log 1 divided by 1 minus q 2 pi a into a. So this is the radius of the sphere. A by 2 log 1 divided by 1 minus q into q divided by 2 pi a into a. So the correct answer is option number B.